Hey, and welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do a full service on a Renault Laguna. It's a 1.5 DCI K9K engine. We're going to start off now with the air filter. Now we're going to extract the oil. Now that we have the oil extracted, now we're going to change the oil filter, which is located behind these pipes just here. I'll get to that now. Just going to put a rag in underneath just to collect any excess oil that falls. Shouldn't be too much, but now I'm going to use this tool here because sometimes these filters can be really hard to get off. Coming easy enough now. Is it removed? Now, what I do like to do is just put a bit of fresh oil around the seal, just to help it seat in place when you tighten it. Maybe give it a little clean. Now there's no need to over tighten these, hand tight is plenty enough for them. Now, and that's the oil filter. So next up is just to refill it with oil. Now, this particular car takes 4.5 litres of oil. So we'll go ahead and start topping that up. Now this is a 3 litre jug I'm using, so ahead and check the levels. It's full. Obviously we'll have to run the engine for a couple of seconds just to let the oil go through and into the filter housing. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we're going to do the diesel filter now. Now we have a few clips here to remove. One. Now in under the wheel arch you just have to take off this plastic here, and you have your fuel filter here. So this is a 10mm bolt, and just unplug the water sensor here as well. Right, I'll get that one installed and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we have our old filter here. So this is out, in. Just want to double check it. Out, in, okay. So we just have to take off this sensor here at the bottom. Just unscrew it. Watch for the diesel coming from it. A little drain, and we just have to put this on the new one. The new one here, so we just remove this and screw this new one in, or this sensor in. Okay, so we'll go and install this and the new one into the car now. Now we're back here at this fuel filter. I'm afraid we got washed out of it with rain, but I'm going to get this installed now and I'll show you. Now we have that installed, we have everything clipped back in, and we have the water sensor back in as well here now. So I just need to tighten up this plastic guard, and then we'll prime it. Now we're just going to go ahead after that filter is installed and we're going to prime. Just like to release this to let the air out. Now there's your fuel. Just now, that's the filter primed. It's nice and hard now. So just lock it back into place here. Okay guys, I'm just finished servicing the car now, so we're gonna go ahead here with the Top Gun 600 and do an oil reset. I've never done this before on this one, so we'll see how it works. Nope, cancel. Look for Renault. Renault, switch ignition on, that's on. That's in, okay. Software reset. Manual select. Oh, I should have done an auto actually. Doesn't matter. Laguna tree. Special function. Don't know why it's saying the year 2004. Maybe it was the year it was made, but it's in '09. Kilometers. Let's change the interval to 10. I like to do mine every 10,000 kilometers. Command finished. Okay, right. So, turn off the ignition. Turn the ignition back on. Parking brake on, we understand that. Control functions, eye level okay. Ah, perfect. 8 months. It'll more than likely be serviced before that. 10,000 kilometers. I know people say you can go between 13 and 16,000, but I always do a full service on mine every 10,000 kilometers to keep it right. She's an old car, she's an '09, so I just like to keep it right.